This video shows how to install obiFox extension for SAP FSM in just few minutes. To do this, you need to have FSM admin rights. No development or coding knowledge is needed. You could configure obiFox for iOS and Android. obiFox can also be used on Windows apps and FSM Planning Board. For these, please contact us and we'll assist you.
Okay, let's start. This prerequisite is optional. You need this if you want to leverage on the obiFox integration with Microsoft Teams. First, ensure Microsoft Teams is installed on your users' devices. And second, ensure their email addresses in FSM and Microsoft Teams are the same. You could skip this step if you would like to use obiFox without Microsoft Teams integration.
Now we have 4 steps to follow. First, go to FSM Admin, create a client ID and secret. Keep the client secret in a safe place you could reach later. Once the client is created, assign a user group that has at least read access to the following objects: activity, attachment, business partner, equipment, requirement, service call, skill, tagged, and unified person. Second, in the company space, create a new web container and fill in the fields as shown. Name is obiFox. Choose your own title that appears on FSM Mobile to users. Set object type to activity. Set the order to 1 and set the URL as shown. If you would like to have language translations for the title that appears on FSM Mobile, please enter those. This step is optional, and you may leave the field blank if not needed.
In the third step, go to FSM Foundational Services. You will find obiFox on the directory. Click on the 3-dot menu on the right. Install the app. Accept the terms and finish installation. Finally, go to the FSM main page on the shell. You could do this by clicking on the SAP logo. There is now a new card called obiFox. Click on it. You need to enter the client ID and the secret that you have from step 1, and then press submit.
Hey! Congratulations! You are done. You can now use obiFox.
Yes! If you have questions, that's not a worry at all. Drop us a line or call us. A real person will talk to you.
obiFox connecting service organizations.